wabarakatuh. So, before we start, my name is Elasticity and my number ID is BMI 2403003.
And my name is Nurbahira Binti Hassan, BMI 2403014.
Oh, before that, greetings to Madam Hanis and also Madam Afufa. And today, we're going to present 4 case studies on elasticity of demand. So, let's start with the first case study, price elasticity of demand (PED) involving LOKL Coffee, a cafe in Kuala Lumpur. So, I will start my first. Before that, LOKL Coffee, a local cafe in Kuala Lumpur, recently raised the price of its signature ice latte from 9 ringgit to 11 ringgit. After the price increase, the monthly quantity sold dropped from 1,000 cups to 800 cups. And the question is, calculate the price elasticity of demand (PED) for the ice latte. So the formula for PED is percent change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Next, A, calculate the price elasticity of demand PED for the ice latte. So the calculation is percent change in quantity 800 minus 1000 divided by 1000, and you have to times 100, so you will get a negative 20%. And then percent change in price, which is 11 minus 9 divided by 9, and you have to times 100, so you will get 22.22%. And after you got the 22.22%, you have to the PED negative 20%, you have to divide it with the 22.22%, and you will get negative 0.9. And then for the question B, based on your calculation, interpret the elasticity. Should LOKL Coffee maintain the new price? Justify your answer. So, since the PED is below 1, divided for LOKL Coffee is inelastic, LOKL Coffee should maintain the price increase only if their goals to increase total revenue, because with inelastic demand, a higher price leads to higher total revenue. So, this is the example for the example graph for PED. So, as you can see here, so the price increased from 9 ringgit to 11 ringgit, and the quantity demand will decrease from 1,000 to 800. So next.
So let's move to our case study 2, which is income elasticity of demand, or we call it as YED. During an economic upturn in Malaysia, average household income increased from 4,000 ringgit Malaysia to 5,000 ringgit Malaysia per month. A local organic food store observed the sales of organic rice increased from 600 kg to 900 kg per month. So our first question is, calculate the income elasticity of demand YED for organic rice. So the formula for income elasticity of demand is percent change in quantity demand divide percent change in income. So let's move for the calculation. For the calculation is, we want to search percent change in quantity. We 900 minus 600 divide 600 and times 100, we got 50%. And percent change in income, 5,000 minus 4,000 divided by 4,000 and times 100, and we got 25%. So for the income elasticity of demand, we got 2% because 50% divided by 25%. So let's move to the question B. It is interpret the result and explain what type of good organic rice is. What should the store consider in its future planning? So it is for organic rice is considered a luxury good. The store should plan for high demand if income levels continue to rise. So this is example of graph for income elasticity of demand. So for axis Y we got income, and for the axis X we got quantity demand. So it is increased from income 4,000 to 5,000, and for quantity we got 600 to 900. So I pass to the Aira.
So I'll proceed with the case study 3, which is cost elasticity of demand (XED). So a fast food chain in Malaysia noticed after the price of fried chicken at a competing chain dropped from 12 to 10 ringgit that the sales of its grilled chicken burgers decreased from 2,000 to 1,600 per week. So the question is, calculate the cross elasticity of demand (XED) between fried chicken and grilled chicken burgers. So the calculation is first, price of the fried chicken decreased from 12 to 10, right? And quantity demanded of grilled chicken burger decreased from 2,000 to 1,600 units. So step 1, you have to calculate percent change in quantity demand, which is grilled burger. So you have to 1,600, you have to minus with 2,000, divided 2,000 and times 100. And after that you will get negative 400, and negative 400 you have to divide with 2000 and times 100, so you will get negative 20%. And after that step 2 is calculate percent change in price, which is for the fried chicken, and then you have to calculate 10 minus 12 divided by 12 and then times 100. And after that you will get negative 2 divided by 12 and times 100, so you will get negative 16.67. And the last step is calculate the elasticity of demand (XED), and negative 20% divided by 60.67%, and you will get the final answer is 1.2. And for the question B, the answer is the XED value is 1.2 and positive, which means that grilled chicken burgers and fried chicken are substitute goods. Since the value is greater than 1, it shows that the demand for grilled chicken burger highly responsive to changes in the price of fried chicken. And how should the fast food chain respond? So they have to consider lowering the price grilled chicken burgers to stay competitive, and offer combo meals, discounts or promotions, so that they will make a better profit. And lastly, they will have to improve product quality or uniqueness to attract customers despite the competitors' lower price. So this is the example graph for XED, elasticity of demand. So this is the example graph for XED. As you can see here, both grilled chicken and burger price both increased from 10 ringgit to 12 ringgit, and the quantity demand from 1,600 to 2,000 units.
We arrived to the last case study, which is price elasticity of supplies, or we call it as PES. So the question is, calculate the price elasticity of supply. So the answer is, so we got the given answer, which is price of durians increased from 45 ringgit to 60 ringgit, and quantity supply increased from 500 kilogram to 700 kilogram. So step 1, we got 3 steps, which is step 1 is calculate percent change in quantity supply, which is 700 minus 500 divided by 500 and times 100. We've got 40%, and step 2 is calculate percent change in price, 60 minus 45 divided by 45 times 100, and we've got 33.33%. And step 3, we calculate price elasticity of supply, 40% divided by 33.33%, we got 1.2. And question B is interpret the result and explain the implications for the farm's production decision. The answer is the PES value is 1.2, which means that the supply of durance is elastic. This tells us that the farm can quickly respond to price changes by increasing supply. Implication for the farm. The farm likely has enough resources like workers, land or stock to increase production. If price continues to rise, they can produce more to take advantage of higher profits, shows that the business has good flexibility and production potential. So this is the last graph for PAS. And as this, Y we got price, and as this, X we got quantity demand. So from P1, price 1, 45, we go to the price 2, which is 45 to 60, and the quantity we got increased from 500 to 700
units.
Yes. And
So that's all from us. Thank you, and we
bye.
hope you guys understand this video. Thank you so much. Bye,
And
Madam.
give us a madam.
Assalamualaikum.